Welcome back friends to our channel Beginnertopro once again. Here I will see HCF and LCM part 2, under which I will try to cover all types of questions which are generally asked in campus placement. Those who are new on this video, I would recommend you to go and first watch part 1, which I have already covered, and in that part 1 I have covered all basic concepts of HCF and LCM. Then come and watch part 2. Question says two numbers are in the ratio of 15:11. If their HCF is 13, find the number. How to solve this type of questions? Let the two number be 15x and 11x. Okay. Since we know from HCF concept that HCF of two number is common factors present in that number. Here we can see in 15x and 11x, x is common in both. So I can say that HCF of 15x and 11x is x. Okay. And in questions it is also given the HCF of both number is 13. So we can also say that x is equal to 13. Okay. Now we simply put the value of x here and we will get the required two numbers. Okay. So our first number will be 15x, which is equals to 15 into 13. Okay, and our second number will be 11x, which is equal to 11 into 13. 15 into 13 will be 195 and 11 into 13 will be 143. So this is the required answer. The first number is 195 and the second number is 143. Okay, now let us see the second questions. Question says two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. Their LCM is 84. In the previous question HCF was given, but now in this question LCM is given. So we have to find the number. Same concept, by using same way we can solve this question. Let the two number be 3x and 4x. Okay. So what will be the LCM of 3 and 4? 3 and 4 LCM? So LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. Okay. So we can say that the LCM of 3x and 4x will be 12x. Okay. And in the questions it is already given that LCM is 84. So we can write 12x equals to 84. So x equals to 84 upon 12. X value will be 7. Okay. So what will be the required two number? So our first number will be 3x, which is equals to 3 into 7, which is equal to 21. And our second number will be 4x, which is 4 into 7, which is equals to 28. So we will see next questions. Okay, now we will see another type of question. The question says reduce this fraction to lowest term. So how will you reduce this fraction to lowest term? simple way is, first you need to find the HCF of numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so we will find the HCF of 391 and 667, which is equal to 23. Okay, now we will divide this HCF. This 391 will be divided by 23, as well as 667 will also be divided by 23. This 391 divided by 23 and 667 divided by 23. So first try to find the HCF for both numerator as well as denominator. So after finding HCF, just divide both numerator and denominator by HCF. So what will be the result? 391 divided by 23 gives you 17, and 667 divided by 23 gives you 29. So this will be the required answer. Now we will see another question. Question says arrange the fraction 17 by 18, 31 by 36, 43 by 45, 59 by 60 in the ascending order. So to solve this problem, first try to find the LCM of denominator. Okay, so here denominator is 18, 36, 45, 60. So what will be the LCM of 18, 36, 45, 60? LCM will be 180. Okay. Now, after finding LCM, 17 by 18. So, by which number we multiply by 18 to get 180? Okay, so we can multiply 18 by 10 so that we can get 180. 18 into 10, 180. Since we have multiplied 10 in denominator, so we can also multiply 10 in numerator. So same number 10, and we get 170. Okay. Similarly for 31 by 36. By which number we can multiply 36 to get 180? We can multiply 36 by 5 so that we can get 180. 36 into 5, 180. Same concept here. Since we multiplied 5 in denominator, so we will also multiply 5 in numerator. Similarly for 43 by 45. So by which number we will multiply 45 to get 180? Okay, so we can see if we multiply 45 by 4, we can get 180. 45 into 4, we will get 180. Same concept. Since we multiplied 4 in denominator, so we will also multiply 4 in numerator. And in numerator, we will get 172. And similarly for 59 by 60. By which number again we will see by which number we can multiply by 60 to get 180. Okay, so here we can see if we multiply 60 by 3, 60 into 3, 180. So since we have multiplied 3 in denominator, we will also multiply 3 in numerator, and here we will get 177 by 180. Now in numerator, we will write whatever we got the value in numerator. 170, 155, 172, 177. Now, since we have to arrange this fraction in ascending order means from smaller one to larger one. So, among all this, which one is smaller? 155. So we can write 155 first. Okay, after that 170, after that 172, after that 177. Okay. Now just write the denominator 155 by 180, 170 by 180, 172 by 180, 177 by 180. Now, since we have to arrange this fraction 155 by 180, for which fraction this value is 31 by 36. So, the smallest among 4 is 31 by 36. Okay. Then 170 by 180. For 170 by 180 is for 17 by 80. So, the next number will be 17 by 80. 172 by 180, 43 by 45. The result 172 by 180 is for 43 by 45. So the next number will be 43 by 45. After that 177 by 180. This required result is for 59 by 60. So the last number will be 59 by 60. So this is the required ascending order of the above fraction. Similarly, in similar way, you can also do for descending order. Just same process, and here you will change try to arrange from a greater value to smaller value, and by the same process you can get answer. Okay, now we will see the next question. Question says that HCF of two number is 11 and their LCM is 693. If one of the number is 77, find the other. Before solving this question, I would like to discuss one formula. Since we know if two number, let the two number be A and B. Formula says product of these two numbers means product of A and B equals to HCF of these two numbers into LCM of these two numbers. Means HCF of A comma B into LCM of A comma B. So we will apply the same formula here. Here we can see that HCF of two number is 11. Okay. So HCF of two number. Okay. So HCF is given, which is equal to 11. Okay. And LCM of two number is also given, which is equals to 693. If one of the number is 77, means they're either A or B. The value of A or B is given. So let us assume A is 77. We have to find the other, means B is not given. So we will find B. According to formula, product of two number means here two number, first number is A, second number is B. Means 77 into B is equals to HCF of two number. HCF of two number is given 11 into LCM of two number, which is 693. So we will, what will be B? 11 into 693 upon 77. 11 7 is a 77. 7 9 is a 63. We will get 6 as remainder. Again 7 9 is a 63. So our second number will be 99. Okay, now we will see the next question. Question says the sum of two number is 462 and their HCF is 22. What is the minimum number of pairs that satisfies these conditions? So to get the minimum number of pairs, to get the minimum number of pairs, before solving this question, I would like to discuss one concept, and the concept called co-prime. Okay. Two numbers, what is co-prime? Two numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. Means, if let the number be A and B, if HCF of these two number is 1, then we can say that A and B are co-prime. Okay. So this co-prime concept will help in finding the number of pairs. Okay. Since now I will solve this problem. Let the two number be A and B. Okay. The sum of two number is 462. Means according to the question, A plus B is 462. Okay. HCF is 22. Since we know that HCF is nothing but the common factor, means from here I can say that 22 will present here as well as here. Means we can write 22A plus 22B equals to 462. Now we will take 22 common. A plus B equals to 462. What will be A plus B? A plus B will be 21. Means 462 by 22. It will be 21. Okay. So A plus B will be 21. Now, by using the concept of co-primes, we can find the number of pairs. Since co-prime says uh, two numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. Can we write 1 comma 20 will be can be the first pair because their HCF is 1. So these are the required pairs: 1 comma 20, 2 comma 19, 4 comma 17, 5 comma 16, 8 comma 13 and 10 comma 11. As we can see in each pair, the HCF is always 1, so these all pairs are co-prime. So whenever this type of questions come, try to apply the concept of co-prime, which will help you in solving this types of problem. Now, question says, what is the minimum number of pairs that satisfies these condition? Which condition? The condition, this condition. This the sum of two number is 462 and their HCF is 22. Means this condition. Okay. So how many number of pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now just multiply by 22 in each case. Since their HCF is 1. Since their HCF is 22, why we are multiplying 22 in each case? Because HCF is 22 given. So, and we need to satisfy these two conditions. Okay. So multiply each number by 22. First 22 into 1 comma 22 into 20. This will be our first number, first pair. Similarly 22 into 2 comma 19 into 22. Similarly 22 into 4 comma 22 into 70. And 22 into 5 comma 22 into 16. Similarly 22 comma 8, 22 into 8 comma 22 into 13, and 22 into 10 comma 22 into 11. So this just multiply and you will get the answer. So these are the pairs, final pairs. Okay, pair number 1, pair number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 pairs, and just by multiply you will get the answer. These are the 6 pairs which satisfy the above two conditions.